Good morning, students. Today I am giving you offline work on biology, chapter number 2, cell division. Here you will be doing question D and question E from your book, descriptive type and the structured application skill type questions. Structured application skill type questions or the diagrammatic questions I have discussed in this video. Please go through it. From your book, you have question number 1, question number 2. Question number 1 says, the given diagram below is a portion of DNA. Now what you have to do? How many strands are shown in this pic? How many nucleotides have been shown in each strand? You have to write how many, name the parts that has been numbered as 1, 2 and 3. And also I will name the DNA unit constituted by part 1, 2 and 3. So collectively in that way, solution 1, if I see, first question, how many strands has been shown? See, 1 and 2. So 2 strands has been shown. So it will be 2. How many nucleotides has been shown? 2 on each strand. Right? 2 nucleotides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 nucleotides on each strand. Name the part numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Now what does 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 says? Number 1 is a phosphate. Number 2 is your sugar. Number 3 is a nitrogenous base. 4 will be the hydrogen bond and 5 will be another nitrogenous base. Right? So as I have discussed and shown the diagram in your copy, like when I was discussing, so it exactly looks like same, right? Next, number D, name the DNA unit constituted by the parts 1, 2, 3 collectively. So it will be nucleotides. So like this way, students, you have to answer all the questions. Other questions like diagrammatic questions of the replication of the cell division has been discussed here. In question 2 of this part shows the diagram of a cell division, stage of cell division. You have to study the structure and have to answer the question similarly. First part 1, 2 and 3 you have to mark, you have to label it. Next you have to identify the stage and also you have to give reason why you have named the stage. Mention where in the body this type of cell division occurs, and you have to also name the stage prior to this. So now, what is the stage? Number 1 marks the aster, number 2 is the spindle fiber, and number 3 is the chromatids. Okay, now, this stage is of what? This stage is of, yes, it is a stage of your metaphase, right? Metaphase. And that stage, why it is a metaphase? Because no, anaphase. Why? Because in anaphase the chromosomes are drawn apart towards the opposite poles, okay, and the spindle fibers will starts forming, right? So if here the reason you will write that this is an anaphase, and here the chromatids or the chromosomes are drawn apart towards the pole. Next, mention where this kind of things appeared. This kind of things are appeared in the cell division is appeared in the kind of cell division occurs in all the body cells, okay, except for reproductive cells. And the stage before this is metaphase, okay, the stage before this is metaphase because it is where all the chromosomes are lie along the equatorial line. So like this you will be solving all the questions, okay. So I have been doing screen recording here, so here you can get all the questions of your book with the solutions accordingly. So go through it and complete doing it, okay, complete doing the exercise in your copy. And question number D, I haven't given in description here, but that I know you all can do it, because this is like there are questions like true false, explanation, definitions and all, that you can do it on your own. These questions are of your important. I've discussed that. Okay, I've given you the solution of this. Please go through the video and complete the work and submit it by the due date. Thank you.